Hey guys, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we're going to show you our custom Red Bull cooler wraps. They're made for end user install. You can create your design right on our website, and we send you a skin that can be easily installed on the Red Bull cooler. Again, the skins can be created right on our website using a PSD template or using our online designer. We ship the skin worldwide. The skin is made for easy install, removable, without any residue, and will last the life of the product. Check us out right now at styleflip.com. We're offering these custom Red Bull cooler wraps in different colors, different designs, and also offering them in different sizes for different refrigerator types. Create the design online, shipped worldwide, made for easy end user install. These skins will highlight your customer's brand, making it easier for them to showcase it on their bar top, drawing more attention to the Red Bull brand and Red Bull drinks. Check us out at styleflip.com for these easy to install Red Bull cooler wraps. Coming soon, we will be offering the install video online, as well as other sizes and other types of refrigerators. Check us out at styleflip.com. Thank you.